Hey, Elementor, I've done something that I think is pretty cool when you're creating a new container. Before, whenever you did this, or before 3.6.2 came out, when you had like a single container, you only had like one box before you jumped onto the container with two containers within. Now you have a copy, but this time they've got directional arrows on there. So this now is a container with the direction being column, and this is a direction being row. Let me explain the difference. Let's add in a container, and I'm very quickly going to just drop in two headers like that. Can you see the direction? It's pointing down. So everything is set as a column. So every time you add an item, it appears below the next one. Let's just go over to the container. We go to items. The direction is not enabled, by the way. I mean, it is a column, and I could reverse it and turn it into a row. But regardless, it is a column. Well, if I now go over to here, and I now pick the direction row, and I again do the same thing, so I drop in a header, and now I duplicate it. Now, this is doing exactly what it said it would do with the direction being row. And don't worry, you can go over here and you can change it if you want, all right? But I think this added little feature here almost in a way removes you having to go in and click items, click direction. So we've removed two clicks there for you, and I think that's pretty cool. I hope you like, subscribe, share, and follow, and play around with flex containers. You will get used to it. Take care, and I'll see you soon.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win it life, I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings, bitch, hand me the bat, put me in the ring, you'll go out in a bag, cause I sing what I mean and I bring it to the mat.